Kim, and today I'm driving to New Orleans. So I'm going to stay at a hotel tonight, and that way I don't have to get up early in the morning and drive down. My cruise starts tomorrow, so it's a Monday. I leave on Monday with the cruise, and then I'll get back on Saturday. So I'm going Sunday afternoon to stay at the hotel because I don't like the idea of driving into New Orleans on a Monday morning during rush hour traffic, you know, and all that. So I'm just going to go down this afternoon, and it's, what is it? Almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and check-in time is at 3, and I won't be there by 3. I'll be a little later than that. I got a little bit of a later start than I wanted to, but really it's only 2 hours from where I live. I live in the Hattiesburg, Mississippi area, so it's about 2 hours to New Orleans. So I'll just drive, and when we get to something interesting other than trees and road, I'll start filming again. Okay, maybe this will be a little bit interesting. We're going over Lake Pontchartrain. So there's Lake Pontchartrain over there. And it's kind of a long bridge. So here we are, Lake Pontchartrain. It's pretty big for a lake. Pretty big lake. Okay, I am in New Orleans now. Y'all, it's been a very long time since I have been to New Orleans. Gosh, I can't even remember. Man, over 30 years since I've been to New Orleans. And as close as I lived in New Orleans at this point, I could have gone before now, but there's just nothing down here. I just had no desire to come to New Orleans for anything. But yeah, this is New Orleans, and shouldn't be too much longer, probably less than 10 minutes from the hotel. So we're just gonna keep going over here, and there's some, oh look, let's see what the lottery's up to. Which now in Mississippi we have the lottery, so this isn't as fascinating as it used to be. So it's like, I can get that anywhere. And since Mississippi has got the lottery, I've not bought one ticket. You know, it used to be kind of a novelty when I was on vacation. Oh, let's buy one, and then we'll just stay on vacation if we win. But, you know. So, yeah, this is coming into we're in New Orleans. Oh, look, there we go. There's a skyline of the city over there. There we are. New Orleans. Now, for me to find where I need to go, I know what exit I need to take. This is exit 239, and I need 234. Somewhere. But we're looking for Convention Center of New Orleans, but I know I need 234, exit 234. So, gosh, I don't remember. Been forever, like I said, been forever since I've been in New Orleans. I used to get around this town, city. I guess this is not a town, but I don't know if we may exit before we get to the Superdome. I don't know. Okay, well, there goes my leading buddy. They took their exit. Been behind them a while. You know, when you're on the interstate, sometimes you get behind somebody that's going the speed you want, and they just lead you. Well, I lost that person. Been behind that person a little while. So, 234C is what I'm looking for. 234C. A little bit closer look of downtown. Look, there's the Superdome. Look, there's the Superdome. Superdome, we found it. Superdome. Okay, I'm going to stop filming for now so that I can concentrate on what I'm doing. We are at 15 miles an hour. I'm in my hotel room in New Orleans. This is at the Hampton Inn Convention Center, basically right around the corner from the Port of New Orleans. So, y'all, this room is amazing. Let me show you this room. Wow. It's incredible. Let me show you. Now this is what I was filming behind me. Y'all look at the windows. They go all the way up. I mean, the height of these windows, this would be like 2 floors of a regular hotel. But I don't know. I'm going to see if I can find out some history of this hotel. But I'm pretty sure it was once a warehouse, based on what I've seen. But look, this is the original brick. They just painted over it, and we've got these original kind of windows. Those up there have this like film on them, like a privacy film, and these are clear. And oh my goodness, look at this. Such a high ceiling. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. We'll have to go out and look around in a little bit. But anyways, this is the room. So we'll just start over here, backing away from those massive windows. We've got a couch. I wonder if this opens up. It does. This is a sleeper sofa, so you'd sleep there too. And then we've got the end tables. There's we've got a plug here, and I think, yeah, there's a USB port back here on the back side of this. We've got an alarm clock, and this is a king-size bed right here. And we've got the same kind of lamp over here, and with the plug and the USB over here. And then just, here's the switch. And the little end table. And we've got a nice big ottoman here. Carpet's really pretty. And here's a desk with a light. And we've got some plugs here. Looks like 2 regular outlets and 1 USB. And of course the phone, but this is like a countertop table here. But nice place for, you know, like a little office area. And really big TV, really big TV. And I'm not going to make use of the drawers, but what is this? Oh, we've got a book about New Orleans. So we might have to look through that in a little bit. But this is just a regular dresser, but it's pretty big. I don't know how big that TV is. Pretty big TV. And we've got 4 big drawers and 2 smaller drawers here. And then there's this light here. And I brought in my trash from the car. But this little trash can is pretty cool. We got trash over here and then recycle on this side. So that's a nice little trash can. And then over here we've got the closet. Now it does have, it's a sliding door. So nice big mirror. And inside the closet we've got an ironing board, a stand for your suitcase, a room safe, a few hangers, and I'm sure that's the bedding for the sleeper sofa. Now let's look over here. This area is the little kitchenette. Look how cute. So up here we've got a little upper cabinets. Let's see what's in anything in here. Oh gosh, we got dishes. We got real dishes. Real dishes. And anything up here? Okay, that up there is just the cabinet where the outlet is for the microwave. Ice bucket, paper towels, coffee maker, and a refrigerator. And then in this drawer, we've got silverware. And we have a colander down here. Okay. So, yeah, plenty of paper towels. So, and then in here, this is a big bathroom. So we got a great big mirror here. One sink, but the countertop is really big. We've got these, look, pull out shelves here with towels and hair dryer and everything, and then just storage on the bottom. Plenty of room in between the cabinet, the toilet, and the tub shower combo. And it's just a well, we've got shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo right there. And then there's the, wow, that's a nice big fluffy mat. Oh wow, that's a nice mat for the tub. And over here there is some body lotion on the wall. And then we've got a little bar soap right here. But oh my goodness, y'all, this place is amazing. One more thing right here at the door is this little, hook. You can hang hats or coats or bags or whatever on that. And gosh, this is a really big room. And the artwork over here, this is New Orleans, so you've got the jazz going on, but look at that artwork. Okay, so I'm thumbing through this book. It's full of advertisements. So, I don't know. We've got all the various, we've got some jazz going on. French Quarter, Garden District. Okay, we could have some good information in here other than just ads. Oh, food, yes. Look at that, wow. Crafting. Okay. Swamp. That's pretty. Look at that. That's pretty. You think of alligators in the swamp, but look how pretty it is. And we've got New Orleans, the guide, shopping and galleries, etc., all that stuff. Oh yeah, here's where it is, the name of the place and address and everything, a little bit about it. And yep, a lot of ads in here, but that's what this is for. But it's a good little information book, and what's nice about this book is it's hardcover. And I like the cover because it's basically the Mississippi River, and you can see how the city was built around the river. It's pretty cool. And we've got, of course, a Chanel ad on the back side of it, but pretty nice. Pretty nice. Let's see, anything in the back that I missed? Oh yeah, the graveyard. It's above ground because New Orleans is below sea level, so they bury people in this kind of thing. Riverboat cruises. I've been on that kind of cruise before. I've not been on the kind that I'm about to go on, but yep, it's a pretty informative little book. Oh, and when I checked in, the guy at the front desk gave me this. He's like, "Oh, as an honors member, you get 2 free bottles of water." And I'm like, "That's awesome, but This is probably my first stay at a Hampton since they, you know, gosh, I think it's been probably 15 years since I've stayed at a Hampton, but, you know, I will definitely take free anything. So I'm going to pop those in the refrigerator. Well, there is the tour of my room at the, let me get this right, Hampton Inn Convention Center, which is right around the corner from the Port of New Orleans. So I'm staying here for one night in this awesome room, and then moving on to a little cabin in the cruise ship that's probably not even half this size, but that's okay. It's just me by myself. But yeah, this is an awesome hotel, and I'm gonna go check it out and see what else I can see, because I know, looking at the floors when I first came in, I could tell it had been a warehouse, because they didn't try to get rid of the staining on the floors. They just varnished over them. They just, you know, made it look nice, but you can tell there's history in this building. But yeah, I'm sure that's why the ceiling is so high, because of the history. But that's going to be it for today's room tour of this hotel. I'll see y'all later. Bye.